Hello, Madan Mohan Reddy. Are you there? Hello? Hello, Madan. Myself, Veera. I'm an deep data scientist researcher right now. Okay. Working with various organizations and currently working in one of the organizations. Okay. Can you please give your intro? Hello, Madan.
Hello.
Madan, you can give your intro.
Okay. Okay, Veera. Myself, M. Madan. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I am working as a software engineer at Tech Private Limited Company. I have 1.5 years of experience in the domain of new app developer.
Hmm. When you have completed your bachelor's,
Today 1942, Veera.
okay, BTech.
Yes.
Okay, man. Which stream?
Electrical and electronics engineering.
Okay, fine. The working as a web developer. Which language?
Which language means?
Web developer means Python or JavaScript. Which
No,
one
no,
will you?
new app developer. This is an integration tool.
Okay, okay, fine. I want to ask you the few questions related to the. Can you please share your screen?
Yes. Please switch on your screen.
I'm making you host. Okay, you can share your screen right now.
Okay, Veera.
Okay, fine. First of all, I want to ask you a few questions related to the theory part.
Okay.
Like, what is Python and why Python? And can you please elaborate it?
Python is a one type of programming language.
Can you please turn on your camera if possible? Not able to see? Okay, fine.
Python is a one type of programming language. Python is used to developing new apps and also you can analyzing, you can manipulating the data. The differences between the Python and the remaining language, Python have more libraries. That's why we can easy to manipulating the data.
Okay, fine. Why we are using only Python? Why not the any some other language with this data related part?
Python has a more libraries. That's why you can use.
Your data analyst course or you have taken data science course?
Yeah, I am taking data analyst course.
The data analyst. What were the tools used in data analyst and why? Can you please elaborate it?
Python is used to is manipulating the data and is used to creating the insights that means visualization
Hmm.
and SQL is used to storing of your my data.
Hmm.
Tableau is used to
What is SQL?
structure query language.
Uh, what is the difference between where SQL is used?
Once you can get the data from
No, no.
database,
In which kind of databases SQL is used?
which that means which type of
In which type of where SQL is used? In which type of database SQL is used? Okay, fine. Can you please create one list?
create
Can
one
you
list.
please create one list? Give me the request of that. Okay. Can you after that? Can you please add one element to that list? Run it out. Please
Okay,
execute it.
Veera.
Please execute it. Print it. Print it. Okay. One second. If you have stored, okay, fine. Can you please add one element to that list? Take another sip. Okay, fine. Can you please add one list to that list? Okay, fine. What is mutable and immutable? What are the data types? Mutable and immutable data types. Can you please elaborate it? First of all, mutable and
Mutable
immutable, and
is
after that,
nothing but
what were mutable and what were immutable.
okay. Okay. Mutable is nothing but we can change the memory space. That means we can adding, deleting, replacing is possible. Change the memory space. Strings are a immutable data type. You cannot change the memory space. Lists are a mutable, and sets and dictionaries are immutable. Remaining are immutable.
Okay, fine. Can you please explain me which among these, which one not contain the duplicates?
Sets are not containing duplicates.
Why?
Because of sets are an unordered pair, we can remove the duplicates. We cannot accept the duplicates values.
Okay, fine. For example, can you please, for example, can you please create one array?
Create
One array.
one array. Array means these
Numpy
are
array.
numpy array. I am not seen in libraries. Yeah.
One second. See. One second. This is an array. Okay, this is an n-dimensional array. Okay, fine. Can you please, can you please explain me here? Can you please explain me why only NP? I'm doing this. Please execute that with that numpy dot array. Can you please execute the code with that?
Input numpy is not defined. Now we check it.
Explain me this why. What is the reason for that?
Because of every time we call a numpy, the problem can be eliminating the aliasing. We can numpy as np means we can every time call it np.
Okay, fine.
Eliminating the
Can you please explain me about the size and shape? Difference between size and shape.
size.
And shape.
Size is nothing but we can given the dimension, that means columns and rows. How many columns are there? How many rows are there in this table?
Can you please explain me with that clearly?
Say the one.
Okay, fine. Leave it, leave it. Can you please create one data frame? Before that, one second. I'll write down the questions. One second. One second, one second, one second. Be cool. And that particular that particular data frame, sorry, that particular, okay,
Okay.
can you please do it out? Are you sharing your entire screen? Okay, fine. Can you please, before that questions, can you please explain me what is data frame and what is series?
Series is nothing but a one-dimensional, only one row or one column. And
Hmm.
data frame is nothing but a table. That means you can number of rows and number of columns.
Okay, fine. How the data frame looks like and how the series looks like?
Series looks like say only one value. That means either a row or column. But
Okay,
data frame is nothing but a table, more columns and more rows.
okay. Can you please explain? Create it. Follow the questions. Okay.
Creating one dictionary.
Create one dictionary, and after that, create the data frame from that. That particular dictionary should contain list in the value part.
Yes. In this A is nothing but a one dictionary. A is nothing but a dictionary. In this A key value pairs, A is a key. 1 to 3 are the values. This 1 to 3 are values and placed in the list.
Okay, execute it and show me. Okay, fine. You are not going with print function. Now, can you please explain this once again? Once again, I'll give one question here. Okay. You have created dictionary with okay, fine. I'll give one question. See here. Can you please explain me with this? I want to get both the A and B in the one cell only. Please explain me with that.
One. Once again, please ask one.
I want here 20 is getting only the value which stored in the B is getting. I want both the values to be executed. How it is, why it is not executing, what is the reason for that, and how it can be executed.
Okay, Python will accept one line by line execution.
Hmm.
That's why A equal 20, B equal 20. After that, A you can print. You can remove B, you can get the A value.
I want to get both the A and B. Can you please do it out?
Both A and B.
Hmm. Can you please show your face clearly? You can move. Okay.
Without using print condition,
Uh,
without given
you can show print it out. Print A and B. That's it. I want the values to be A and B, and explain me with it. Your wish. You can do anything. I want 10 below the 20.
10 below the 20. A print A.
And also, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Can you please create two lists? Two lists. Go back. Go to the upper cell. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Do nothing. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Do nothing. Here, create another list. Create another list in B. After that, create two lists with the car. Create 1 second. I'm writing. Create two lists. One list contain car company names. Another list contain car names of the companies. After that, I'll tell you the question. First, create this two. Do here.
Okay. In- I will second question. What's another list should contain car names of that companies?
Yes, I have written on. I have written there. Na? You can.
That means what is car names of that company means Hello.
Yes, car names of that company.
I cannot understand car names of
Ca-
the.
Car specified cars will be there na related to Skoda
Ah,
and
yes.
related to Benz S3, S5 and Maruti like Swift and Skoda like for example Superb in that way created.
Okay, I will give random numbers. Okay.
Please execute it. Both list execute. But the execution should be one second, one second, one second, one second, one second, one second. One second. Give me remote access. See, after that, execute it side by side. It has to execute side by side, not in a line. If you execute, you can see the list 1, 2, 3, 4 in a line, but it has to execute in side by side.
Side by side means two arrays are in side by side or one value one by one side by
A,
side.
the futures in A and B should come like key value pairs.
Okay.
While executing, it have to come, but you should not create an dictionary. Dictionary should not be created. Okay. You have that no no no. Can you please explain me the that loop which you have created and also can you please with one function will be there with that function can you please do it off
In this for loop,
without using for loop I have to get the output and also explain me the thing which you have created.
without for loop, we can get the
Okay, fine. You explain this, and after that, and also correct it. Three should not come. Only one it should come. Skoda S3, Benz ST, M2 should not come. Benz B2, that's it. Skoda S3, Benz B2, Maruti M2, that's it. And also that is the output should be. And also this loop. Can you please explain me the loop which you have created?
okay. In
What it is called?
this is the for I in A. First we can assign to A values in I.
What is the loop you have created? Loop below the loop you have created below the for you have created. Can you please explain me with that?
Below the for loop.
Hmm. What is this two fors you have written? Na? Can you please explain me with that?
Yes, first for loop we can assign to A values. First A
No,
value.
no, no, no. What is the loop? This is loop. I also know.
Okay, okay. Loop
What is
what?
the loop?
Loop is nothing but a we can literate
Loop?
the
No, no, no. Loop. Okay. Okay. Tell me about loop first of all.
loop is nothing but a literating the values. That means one by one,
Okay.
continuously rotating.
Which kind of loop is this?
This is the for loop.
For loop only.
Ah, yes, for loop.
For loop only, I also know. In the for loop, which kind of what this particular loop will be called? You have written for and after the below also for you have given.
Yes.
Can you please tell me about these?
Okay. This is a nested for loop.
Okay. What is nested for? Nested means.
Okay, nested is nothing but inside for loop another loop is there. That is the nested for
Okay,
loop.
fine. Can you please, okay, after explaining this, can you please execute like Skoda S3, Benz B2, and Maruti M2 should come?
Okay.
డిసెంబర్ 13కి సంబంధించిన అంటే 200 మిస్మ్యాచ్ చేసే వీడియో రెడీ చూడు చూడు సరే అర్థం Okay, fine. What is a function? And can you please create one function? Okay, fine. Leave that. Okay, fine. It takes more time. Explain me about functions. Create one addition function.
Function is nothing but a block of code which repeatedly use. That
Okay.
means whatever you can define in a function, we can call it anywhere in the code.
Okay.
Yeah, I will.
Take another cell. Don't go with that cell. And also, can you please explain me about difference between the return and print?
Print is used to print the values. Return is used to uh, we uh, we can call the outside a function. That means
Okay.
we can
Can you please add two numbers and show me?
without we can give the without return we cannot get the outside of values. That means we can call.
One second, one second, one second. Can you please create subtraction function without using return? Only print has to be there.
What, Veera?
Can
Without
you please, without using, one second, one second, one second, one second. Without using return, can you please do that? Create subtraction
okay,
function,
without
only with print should become.
okay.
Okay, fine. Can you please explain me about the difference between the while loop and for loop?
For loop is nothing but we can we can continuously rotating. That means you can give the range 1 to 10. We can continuously rotating to 1 to 10. But while loop is nothing but a we can condition is true. We can enter into the loop. Otherwise, we cannot enter into the loop.
Okay, fine. Can you please explain me? Create one set.
Create
Okay, fine. 1 second. Uh, Create one list first of all. Okay, fine. Their list is there. Go with that. Add some values to above their list. Okay, okay. Create one list. More values. More values. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Can you please remove the duplicates from it?
remove the duplicates.
Mm. Don't use for.
Don't use.
Can you please make it to descending to ascending? After set, I want the after removing duplicates.
Okay.
Descending to ascending. Okay, fine. Leave it. Can you please create? Can you please create one? I want just. Can you please create one graph? That's it. I want any graph. Create one graph.
Wait, I am not watching any
Huh?
libraries.
Hmm?
I have not seen any videos regarding the libraries.
Okay, fine. Go with that. So was the videos regarding the libraries part? Okay, fine. I'll go with this without libraries. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Can you please, if you have the CSV file means, can you please load it into here and show me?
What Vira?
Can you please upload the CSV file over here and show me?
Okay, upload is CSV file.
Yes.
ఏంటి అక్కడ పెట్టేవాది గవర్నమెంట్ది కంప్లీటెడ్
Can you please, from that, can you please convert it to the create one another CSV file? CSV file has to be created with your name. Madan.csv file has to be create from that existing one. No, no, no. Take another cell. Don't go with one cell, GR. Problem has to be divided into multiple pieces. Go with another cell. Here is there. See, here code is there. Here code is there, na? 1 second. With this, you can select the cells. Okay. I want create that convert into the CSV file.
Yes. But I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. For example, create one dictionary. Go back up. You already have created, na? Go back and I will execute the. Here you have created dictionary, na?
Yes.
Can you please execute it? And I want only the values part. That's it. Execute the values part.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine.
So,
Can you please add one more key value pair to the dictionary? Okay, fine. Can you please replace Madan with the Reddy?
Madan with
Reddy.
Reddy.
Can you please create one set? It should contain all types of data types.
Oh, yes.
No, no, no. Remove. Copy that B. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Don't. Why you are doing in one cell? Every time I already told you so many times. Don't do it in one cell. Who said you to do in one cell? Execute it. Can you please execute it? Execute and show me the result. Can you please show me the type of that B type? Class set. One second. One second. One second. One second. One second. Explain me.
In this B, you can place the list values. Sets are not accepted to the mutable data types. That means list is a mutable data type and dictionary is also mutable data type. We can give the list and dictionary. We cannot accept the sets.
Is it possible for us to create dictionary inside set?
No, is not possible.
Why?
Because of dictionary is also a mutable data type.
Okay, fine. Can you please print your name? Can you please just, I want to store your name in one variable. Can you please execute it? Before that, what is variable?
Variable is nothing but we can store the data or you can hold the data.
Okay, fine. What is in rules for naming variable?
We cannot rules. We cannot start with the numbers,
Hmm.
and so we cannot spaces between the variables,
Hmm.
and also there is a case sensitive,
Hmm.
and also some specific
Python is case sensitive or variable is case sensitive?
variable is a space. Python is also a case sensitive.
What is difference between case sensitive and case insensitive?
Case sensitive is nothing but for example, we can define a variable name A, capital A, but we can call variable small a. We cannot call. That is the case sensitive.
Okay. What is the rules for naming Python you're telling now? Continue with that.
And last one is we cannot accept the special character. Variable should not create the special characters.
Okay. Create one your name, store in that. Execute and tell me. I want only Mohan from your name.
Mohan. Okay.
Take another. Only with negative indexing. Negative indexing.
Negative index.
What is positive indexing and what is negative indexing?
Forward index is nothing but a can forward values that means 0, 1, 2, 3. And negative index is nothing but a backward to front.
Okay, sir. Can you please print the Mohan
Okay.
with negative indexing?
Take the best one. అయితే రావాలి. days, 10 numbers. 50 days, 50 numbers.
Can you please print? Can you please skip two alphabets from after M? Two alphabets has to be skipped, and after that, the output should be like M, A, O. In that way, the output will be this two. After if you starts with M, two letters has to be skipped. Two alphabets has to be skipped. Print.
Okay, Veera.
Can you please explain me from where indexing starts? And it has the output has to be start from M. M is not there. It started from A.
Okay, that means
You have skipped only
two
M after A skipped D came. No. M one two elements you have to skip. After M, A
M-A-O. You like that?
M-A-A-O.
Okay, M-A-O-N-D.
Okay. Can you please one second create one tuple? Can you please add any one another string into the tuple? Please add one string into the tuple.
We cannot add because of this immutable data type.
Okay. You have created two lists anywhere. This down create. Can you please create two lists and add with plus?
Add with?
This A already created, na? One
Yes.
second. One second. This what you'll do? Convert it to change it to list. Can you please change it to list? After that, what you have to do means make a copy of that B again.
Well, you can also have the whole information for in the space and
I want print BNC and take another cell. I'm telling you from starting beginning of the class. Please don't go with that such a coding part in one cell. Add the two lists.
Add the two list.
Two lists.
That means B and C. We can add the two.
Add that BNC.
Show
Okay.
STR, we're not it's like
Okay, fine, Madan. It's time up. Okay, continue. Right.
people want the time are there.
Okay, now it's
Okay, fine. 1 second. Can you please? 1 second. I'll give question. 1 second. 1 second. Give me the remote.
వస్తారు సార్ క్లాస్ డేటా సైన్స్ లో నేనే అటెండ్ అవుతాను ఎనాలిసిస్ లో నాకు శాంతి అయితే రిసిప్ట్ పంపేదాకా సంపింది ఇంకా నైట్ కూడా పెట్టండి మీరు పంపిస్తాను పంపించారు
Right now, without can you please create one question from this? What we can do? Create one question from this without using methods. Question. Create one question.
okay. You can add Madan plus Mohan.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Sir, please add and show me.
బాగానే ఉంటుంది రోజున అయితే రోజున పక్క ఇందాక మాట్లాడి
పెద్ద కోర్స్ కాబట్టి డిసిప్లిన్ గా మాట్లాడతారు అక్కడ
ఎక్సెల్ ఇచ్చేసారు ఇవన్నీ కొంచెం డిప్రెషన్ చెప్పండి అవి స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి బాగానే
Okay. Can you please explain me about modulus?
What Veera?
Modulus.
Modules or modulus?
Modulus.
Module is nothing but a package.
Can you please 1 second? I'll show. One second. Print it, execute it with remove that all decimal after that should be removed and 3 should be executed. Only 3 the output should come. Do whatever you want to do.
Only 3 will be. My output is only.
3 has to come as output.
Okay.
not are allowed. Embedder దానికి వ్యతిరేకంగా ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ gmail.com
Without using int.
speak of policy.
without using it.
Without using int.
అట్లా మార్చి నెంబర్ ఏదో మార్చితే తగ్గింది సరేనా
These are pure
Can you please explain me about user input? You have idea about user input functions?
రాయాలి అంటున్నా
yes.
Can you please explain me that and create one user input and add the two numbers?
పాస్వర్డ్ వేసాం
Add
Two numbers. Create one user input for adding two numbers. Why int we have to keep before it every time?
okay. Without given int, Python is accepted is a string, but you can add numbers. That's why you can.
Okay. Okay.
They will.
Okay, fine. One second. One second. One second. One second. 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 Can I? Is it possible for us to find which kind of data types can find index and which kind of data types cannot find index? Index number we want.
Okay. Strings, list, tuple. These three are you can find in the index. The remaining two sets and dictionaries you cannot add the index concept.
How many methods will be there in tuple?
There are only two methods:
Can you please tell the two methods?
count and index. Count is used to how many times you can retrieving the value, and index we can finding the index of the value.
Okay, 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 fine. Got it. Great, great. But again, was that recordings regarding the libraries part? Okay. About the visualization part, libraries part, and also practice more. Okay. Watch again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You can leave.
Final picture,